Hello everyone, back to your class again. I welcome you all for the fourth session of mathematics class. First of all, let me thank you so much for appreciating your teachers' effort as we are receiving calls and messages from parents as well as students. I personally have received several calls and messages. Thank you so much once again. And it's your cooperation and support that is going to enhance the online classes. And through this feedback, while I was receiving the call, I was asking for the feedback too. So through this feedback, I came to know that you are facing several issues. Okay, so I will try my level best to resolve those issues. Okay, one by one I'll be trying it. Okay, so the first one is still some are facing difficulties to understand where to write classwork and where to write homework. So the very first thing I am going to explain you how to write classwork and homework and where to write. Till now some of you have received all the set of copies and books, but some are still waiting. So those who have received, where they will write, and those who are still waiting, where they will write. So the ones who have already received the books and copies, you have to write down all your work, that is classwork and homework, in your mathematics copy. This mathematics copy will include your classwork and homework. Okay, and the second copy I was talking about was practice copy. Now many are getting confused that what they are going to write in practice copy and what they are going to write in mathematics copy. So once again I repeat, those who have got all the set of copies and books, so you are preparing each and every subject, so out of those, one copy you will specify for mathematics, where you are supposed to do both classwork as well as homework. Okay, and the second one I have told for the practice copy. Now this practice copy will include some notes while I am giving this, I am taking the classes through this online technique. So whatever I am telling you, whatever I am teaching you, if you find it something worthy to write down, so you can take down the notes in the practice copy. Okay, and to practice more, whatever you have written over here, you can write down, and that is only for the practice work, children. Okay, I hope this very doubt is clear to you all. Then I also received some doubts regarding if you have, while writing, you have done some mistake. Okay, for example, I have asked you to write down the spelling of 99, the number name for 99, and you have written the spelling. Is the spelling correct? Is the spelling correct? No. Okay, so what will you do? You need to simply strike it once, children. Do not scribble it out. Okay, so strike it once, then rewrite it. If you have place over here, you can write down, or if you have place over here, you can write down the correct spelling. As this is also one of the doubt I received from one of the parent. So I hope this part is clear to you. And again for writing work, we have instructed that whenever you are writing, write with a proper space in between. Be careful regarding the punctuation and how to begin the sentence with the capital letter and then the full stop or such things I have told. Leave one line for every question. Why we are asking that? If by chance you do some mistake, then we will definitely get some place to correct it out, right? Okay. So, hope these things are clear to everyone. These were all the things what I told regarding the writing part. Okay. So, one more issue was raised by a parent that miss, continuously the child is writing, sometime the videos are buffering or some connectivity issues are there, and then the child has to sit long hours with a mobile. So, I request you all dear parents that you can download the sessions going on, save it, and then you can connect these classes, and you can connect your mobile phone to the smart devices. Many of you are having smart television or through a laptop or a desktop. Okay, some are even having tablet also. So, you can download, save it, connect your mobile to this computers or your television. Okay, so it won't strain eyes of your child, and some more were saying that headache or some other problems are there. So, in order to check proper check on your health. So, these things were regarding all this thing. Okay. Now, let us see what are the things that we have already written in our classwork copy, those who are writing, and those who have not yet got this classwork copy, I have told you, you can write down in your rough copy, and later on as soon as you will get your these copy set, you have to note it down in your classwork copy without any delay. Okay, as the classes will progress, you will have lot many work to complete it within that time. Okay, so let me check what let us check together. Okay, what are the things you should have in your classwork copy? The very first thing is, till now we have completed the revision exercise, right? Everyone must have finished by this time, isn't it? Good children. So, then the second work what we have written in the copy is, I have asked you to write down Indian place value, Indian place value chart, isn't it? I have asked you to draw it. Those who are having color pencils, they can color it out, and as you can see in the second session, I have shown you how you are going to make this Indian place value chart. Okay, and in the third session we were doing exercise 1.1, which is given on page number 18. And children, till which question we have completed in that day? Yes, question number 4, right? Very good. Question number 4 we have completed. So, how many questions are left? Those who have got the book, they know that there are still 2 more questions to be completed. So, today in this very session, I am going to complete those 2 questions. So, I was talking about the leftover 2 question. Out of that, I have written one of the question over here. Okay. So, don't start writing now children. First understand and then you will be writing. Okay. So, as you are doing the work today for the session 4, you have to write on the fresh page. Okay. On the fresh page or the new page, you have to write down today's date. What is the date today? Today is 4th May 2020. Okay. Written the date, then write down session 4. That's it for now. Okay. So, first understand the question. I will read out the question for you. Okay. Let us see what is there in question number 5. Question number 5 says, a teacher's annual salary. Okay. A teacher's annual salary is rupees. Oh, there is a very big number. So, what I have told you how to read this number. Can we place the comma and make it easy for us to read out? Okay, just see. We place a comma counting from the back 3 digit, then this. Why? Because we have learned Indian place value system. Okay. So, Can you read out the salary now? It is rupees 5,90,580. Okay, and total expenditure during the year is rupees this much again. So let us place the comma. So what is the total expenditure? 3,20,520. What is his savings during the year? Write all the earnings, 2 times I have written, earnings, expenditure and savings, marking periods and also write the number name. Let us first understand what is the question. Okay, let us know the meaning of the question. As it is said, a teacher's annual salary. Suppose I am teaching maths, okay, and other teachers are also there, other subject teachers are also there. So after this teaching and all, we are engaged in some work, isn't it? So we get salary at the end of the month, that is monthly salary. Now if we take the total of all the salaries throughout the year, that will change to annual salary. And children, this is what mentioned over here. So there is a teacher whose annual salary is rupees 5,90,580. Okay, this is about the salary. Understood the meaning of salary? Okay, what about the meaning of expenditure? So in order to live, we are spending money on lot many things. We have to give house rent, right? We have to give water tax, we have to pay the electricity bill, then for living we need food to live. So I will be spending money on my to purchase the food articles. Okay, so all these together calculate as expenditure. Understood the meaning of expenditure? So for this very example, for this very question, the teacher has to expend 3,20,520. Okay. Now the next question is, what is his savings? Okay. So teacher's annual salary is this much, expenditure is this much. This is the income and this is what he is spending. So what is the money left? And which operation we are going to follow for this? Definitely subtraction. Very good. Okay, so we will solve this question first, and your question is not yet over because you are dealing with the large numbers where you have to write down marking period and also write the number name. Let us see how to write down this one. We have just now read the question, okay. So this is the solution of that question. The very first statement we are going to write down is teacher's annual salary, okay, and what is it? It is rupees 5,90,580. Children, see that while we are writing these, as I have already told you, and you have to take that care, we write this rupees, this is a symbol of rupees, then for each digit there should be space in between, and as we are writing an Indian place value system, so we count from the back 3 places, 1, 2, 3, place a comma, 1, 2, place a comma, and then, okay. Similarly, the second statement is total expenditure. So what is the total expenditure given for this? This is 3,20,520. Okay, as you know, salary is given, expenditure is given, and you are supposed to find out the saving. How to find out the saving? Which operation? Just now I said, no? Which operation? It is subtraction. So we write subtraction over here in order to know that we are following this operation. Let us subtract this, okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 5, 0 again. We will place a comma, right? Okay. Then again we have 0 over here. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. So, what is the saving, children? So, therefore, this teacher, he is saving rupees 2,70,060. Okay, but your answer doesn't complete over here. We have to write down the number name for each one. Okay. Okay, so now just take it down in your copy. I'll give you some time for this. When you are taking down, don't forget to write down the session 4, and since we are doing it today itself in the class, so mention CW, that is classwork. Okay, writing, very good. I'll be moving to the next. Finished writing? So let us go to the next one. Once again we write down the statement after completing that solution part. Okay, so after completing that solution part, leave one line and then write this once again. Why we are writing this once again, children? Because we have to write down the number name, and before number name, what the question says, we have to mark the period. Okay, let us mark it together. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Fine, we have marked down the period. Then place the comma, children. Doing it? Okay. Ready? Shall we start? Okay. Now, the very first digit is 5, and where it is? It is at the lakhs place. So, we write our answer as 5 lakh. Then what do you have next? 90. The spelling of 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90,000. What is the spelling of thousand? T-H-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. Then what is next? It is 500, and the spelling of 100 is H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. What is left now? 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, and a full stop. Okay, still writing? No problem, you write down, I'll just read it for you. We start with the capital letter. Since 5 is at lakhs place, we write down 5,90,580. Okay, what is the next one we have to write down? Expenditure was given, right? So let us write down the expenditure also. So the total expenditure, okay, is given as rupees 320,520. Okay, and as you know that we have to place a comma, so we place a comma like this. Then what next? We have to mark the period. So period is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, you have marked the period as well as you have placed the commas, and then what next? You have to write down the number name. So we start writing this. It is given as 3 lakh. Writing? Okay. Shall I wait? Okay, written till now. Okay. Next is 20,000. Read out the spelling, children. While you are writing, you read out loud so that you can learn the spelling also side by side. Okay. So 20,000. Then you have 500, 20. Children, you should have a habit, once you write down your answer, check immediately whether you are writing it correct or not. Okay? As for example, just have a look. We have taken down the digit, we have placed the comma, we have marked the period. Okay? Then we are writing down the answer for this. This is 3,20,520. Just have a look and tally it with the given digit, and don't forget to put a full stop over here. So we have already completed the salary, then expenditure, and then what next? The third statement, right? So his savings, we have found it to be 2 lakh. Okay, 70,000, and this is the number given to us. Okay, so once again write down the place value chart. Okay, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It's visible? Okay. Once you have written the place value chart, place the commas, then what next? We have to write down the answer, isn't it? Okay, come on. Let us write down the answer. We begin with the capital letter, and what is place over here? 2. So I have written the spelling of 2 over here. Which period? Lakh. It is 2 lakh. Okay. 70. Now this 70 is under which period? It is under the period of 1000. So we write down this one as 70,000. Now answer me, do you need to write anything for this 100? What is present over here? 0, isn't it? So whenever we have 0, whichever place it is, okay, if it is at 100 place or 1000 place or 10,000 place, wherever it is, it's having no value, children. So straight away, to which question we will move on, to which part we will move on? We will move on to this. And how do we read this one together? We read this one as 60. So the answer will be 2,70,000 and what? 60, SIXTY. So this completes your which question? Question number 5. Moving on to the next question, children. Question number 6. Write numbers with periods in the Indian standard form. So here there are 6 sub questions, and for this one we are not going to write one question, one answer, one question, one answer. Why? I'll tell you just after this. So what I'll be doing, I'll be writing all the 6 sub questions, and you also write down first. First we will write down all the 6 questions, and then we will solve all the answers together. Okay. Just now I told you that we are doing question number 6, right? So for question number 6, I told you that there are 6 sub questions over there, but since my board is small one, so I could write only till question number D. Next 2 more questions I will be writing. Okay. So let us read out the first question. Answer is already given to you, number name is already given to you. Once again go back and read the question. The question is asking to write down them in figures. Okay. Till now you were writing, figures were given and you were writing in words. Now this is already given in words, you have to write in figure. Okay. Let us read out. I am reading it only for you all, as again and again I am telling, some have still not got the books, so they can refer to this. Those who have got the book, they can see the book right now. Okay. So 9,48,39,374. Right. This is question number A of question number 6. Okay. Then question number B. 29 lakh 70,000, then 9 is there. Then question number C. 6 crore 80,694. Okay. Then question number D. 3 crore 58 lakh 946. So those who have not got the book, they may copy down from here. I have written for them, and those who are having the books with them, please write it down in your copy. There are 2 more questions which I will be writing just after this, okay, immediately. And the leftover question which I told right now till D you have seen, okay. So here are the last 2 questions of this exercise. So question number E is 8 crore 794. Okay. I hope each and every word is clear. Then the last one is 2 crore 9. Okay. Now how are we going to arrange all these 6 sub questions that I will be showing, and for that children please have a pencil and a scale with you. So the next one I am going to show how to write down the answer for all these questions. Okay. So I have already instructed you to take scale and pencil. Okay. Now we have to keep our scale properly straight and then draw the line. And children please use scale for drawing these columns. Okay. So as you can see how I have written over here, you are also supposed to write down like this. Okay. We will make columns. Okay. And let us see, start from the ones column. This is ones column, and how many family members are there in ones column? It is ones, tens, 100. Okay. So see, you have to first draw a straight line, write down these periods. Under this period you have this members of that period. This is ones, tens, 100. Together they are under ones family. Then for 1000 family there are 2 members. It is 10,000 and 1000. Then lakh, 10 lakh and lakh, and crore, 10 crore and crore. This you have to do it, and then we will write down the question. So this is very important. First you have to draw this, and then we are going to write down the answers for this. So refer to question number A. Okay. And as I will be writing, you just check on the places where I am placing the digit. Okay. So question number A is 9 crore. So what will I do? I will write 9 over here under this crore. Okay. Then comma, since this is going to the next period. Okay. 48 lakh, we write 4 over here, we write 8 over here, 48 lakh. 39,000, so we write 3 over here and 9 over here. What I have missed? I have missed a comma, so place a comma. Then you have 374, place a comma, 374. This is how you are going to solve the first one. Clear? Now refer to the next question, question number B. 29 lakh. 29 lakh. So there no member for crores family. So we move on. Okay. And we will write over here 29 lakh 70,000. Place a comma. 70,000 and 9. So what about the places over here? 110. Let me first write down this 9 over here. Can you see the 2 places vacant over here? What we will do? We will place 0. Why I have not placed 0 over here, since there are no members in the crore family? Writing 0 before a number has no value. 0 has got a value once it is after the number. So while reading this one, this will be read as 29,70,009. Hope it is clear. Okay. Then let us check question number C. 6 crore. Oh, someone is present over here in the crores family. That is number 6. 80,000. Straight away to this. What about this lakhs family? Any member present over here? No member. So what are we going to do? We will place a 0 over there. 694. So it is 6, 9 and 4 over there. Okay, clear? Then the next question, question number D. 3 crore. We write over here 3 crore. 48 lakh. Okay, we have someone present in the lakhs family. Then 946 children. So first of all, we will write down 946. As you can see, no one present in the 1000 family. So what you have to write down? Yes, 0. Okay, come on, write down 0 over there. Are you getting it clear? Okay. Then question number E. You have 8 crore. We write 8 over here. 794 straight away. Over here 794. And the lakhs and 1000 all places are empty. So what? Of course 0, no? 0, 0, 0, 0. Could you find that I have done something is missing over here? What is missing? Yes, comma. The moment we place a comma, our answer is complete. Okay. Then the last question, children, just now I wrote, no? So it is 2 crore 9. I will write 2 over here and then straight away to this last one, because I am having only these two numbers and rest all the places in between is vacant. Is it really vacant? Which digit we have to place it? 0. Okay. So we place 0 under each period as no other digits are found over there. Okay. This is how you will be writing in your copy all these 6 sub questions of question number 6. And with this we complete exercise 1.1. So till today we have done, once again I am repeating for you, revision exercise to be done in the classwork copy. Then Indian place value chart, that also we have to do in the copy. Okay. Then till question number 4 of exercise 1.1 we have completed that. You have already noted down in your classwork copy, and this is today's work. You write down classwork, session, date, everything. It should be mentioned as I have shown right now, and question number 5 and 6. Okay, right.